Hello, dear friends. This is Jeannie from Dollhouse Rescue, and here I am in my workshop again. And guess what? This is my birthday edition of Welcome to My Workshop because I recently had a birthday. I've got my birthday crown on. I have bought myself a couple of birthday presents and a couple other things I purchased I'm going to share with you. So I know you want to see what I got that tempted me. One of them's a great big box. Let's take a look at everything. So here's the first birthday present I got myself. Let's take a look at it. Now, some of you, you're kind of, I think, getting a feel for the things that might catch my eye. So I don't think this is going to surprise some of you. So let's just take a look at it and see what it is. Oh, look, and I've got Grandma here. Some of you know the story about Grandma. She joins me in my videos. And I recently was going on a camping trip with the Girl Scouts. And I keep my Girl Scout stuff in the guest room on shelves. And I went in there. I was going to take Grandma with me camping because I thought maybe I'd do a video, share it with the Girl Scouts, do a video there at camp. Well, I took her into that room with me, and I went through a bunch of boxes and got what I needed, flashlights and paper plates and glow sticks and a bunch of stuff I like to take to camp. And when I got done getting everything ready for camp, I left the guest room where my Girl Scout stuff is, and I no longer had Grandma with me. So I knew she was somewhere in that room. I did not know where. And I've been in that room 2 or 3 times going through boxes again looking for her. And I finally found her just the other day. So I'm glad to have her back. All right, back to the box, my birthday box. Let's take a look at it and see what it is. Got a little invoice. It's well packed. Look, it says thank you for your order. That's cool. Let's see what's in here. I probably paid more for this than I normally would, but I did really like it. I did really want it, and it was going to be my birthday, so that's why I went ahead and sprung for a little bit higher money than I normally do. Let me get it all set out here and then I'll show it to you. Right, there you have it. A whole bunch of Babyland nursery furniture. The little table tray, the little, I don't know if that's like a diaper pail. The little chair. Now this chair's got a leg gone and they put a little bit of cardboard down there to hold it up. The desk, bottle warmer. This is the top part of the scale. This is like the baby incubator. It's supposed to have a cover on it, but they're almost always missing a sink, a couple of the little bassinets, the little oxygen tank, and the little medical table. And this is the play table. Now, it's also missing a leg, which I did know both of those issues when I purchased that. But here's the thing that really sold me. I really love the furniture, but here's what really sold me. It's got the little original nurse, which I already have one of those, but there she is. And it's got all of the babies, and I think these are the original little babies. There's 5 of them there, and they're all just cuter than cute. And I went back and checked my Babyland nursery. I wasn't sure if I had any of those original babies, and I did have 2 original ones already, and there they are. And they are duplicates of these. Cuter than cute. So that was what tempted me. Really, the babies as well as the nice assortment of furniture. Okay, here's package number 2. Now this one I did not technically buy specifically for my birthday, but it is a recent, I think I got this on eBay, a recent eBay purchase that I've not shared with you yet. I love that they marked it fragile. Good job, eBay seller. Let's get everything laid out here, take a look at it, and then we'll see what kind of caught my eye the most. Ooh, got some nice bubble wrap. Okay, I'll get it all laid out and then we'll talk about it. Okay, dear friends, here it is. Let's take a look at it. Now, there were a few things on the listing that they said and showed that were broken, and I do see those things here. Not real concerned. It was disclosed. A table missing a leg, the headboard, the TV's got a chunk broken off. These are an assortment of little chairs that have legs off. There's the rest of the headboard. chairs that have legs broken off, and they've included these plastic pieces. Now I'm going to have to look. This was not, it had bubble wrap around it, but then everything was jumbled into a bag. So some of this might have broken in transit. Some of these pieces I know were broken in the original listing. Honestly, I'm not super concerned about this stuff, but there is a little bag of pieces, parts that I'll keep for another day. Let's see what else we have here. A nice bathtub, a sink, and a little garbage can for the bathroom, which is a little bit rare. You don't see that often. We've got a nice stove. For some reason, I'm kind of short on stoves, and a kitchen sink. Do not have a refrigerator. Here's the hamper for the bathroom. That looks good. Then we've got an assortment of furniture, a high chair, you know, kind of normal stuff, but still nice. This is all 124 scale. This is that piece that people were talking about recently in our Dollhouse group, and they said, what is this? It looks like a pie. I don't know. I think it's either a plate full of nuts, which used to be common on a coffee table in the olden days, or possibly a like a candy bowl is what I always think it is. It does look like a pie. Anyway, I don't know what it was supposed to be. There's a little dresser with a mirror, couch, chair, and some nice mid-century modern type furniture. The corner table, love that. A nice blue crib. For some reason, I'm kind of short on blue cribs. That one's a nice one. A little car, which was, I don't know if it's a Hot Wheels Matchbox car. A couple of these little stools are always nice to have. A table that has its legs. They're a little bit bent. We'll see if they're straightenable. Another little dresser. A chair with 4 good legs. There's a couple of those, 3 of them. That's nice to have. A footstool. This thing, I always think, I don't know, those to me look like urns for ashes, but they're probably supposed to be vases. I always think it'd be fun to put a little hole in there and put flowers in there and truly make it a vase. But I've not done that yet. I might do that someday. A little end table. A nice little chest of drawers, maybe for a nursery. The little telephone table. A lot of times you have that in the laundry room. Look at this, is that nicer. I mean, I think it's nice just because it's kind of rare. It's the washer dryer combo with the little door on it. A lot of times that door is missing. A nice high chair. A little rocking horse toy. A little tiny stool. A mangle. This goes in the laundry room. It's an old-fashioned way to iron. And a little baby I've got over here by Grandma. And then the rest of this stuff goes to the Marxa split level, which honestly I don't need this stuff, but when I see it in an auction and it's a good price, I can't help but buy it because I know that I've got friends that need these pieces, and these are all in good shape. We've got the fireplace, the outdoor rotisserie, the indoor, I don't know, divider table that goes like in the kitchen area. And then there's 4 of these railings, which are kind of rare. You can get replacements, but these are the original. And an original set of steps. These steps, they've got like glue on them. I don't know if that will come off or not. I mean, they're not bad for what they are, but the little holes that are supposed to hold the railings are filled in with glue. So I might try soaking that, see if that will come out or not. I don't know. But still, it's a nice little set of steps that somebody will use. Love it. I'm going to open one more box today, and it's the big one. I don't know. Are you excited to see it? I am. Let me get it out. It's going to take up a lot of room. It's in a great big box. Let me get the stuff moved out of the way, and we'll get it open. Okay, here it is. It's a big box. It goes clear from down here all the way down, down, down to there, and it's fairly heavy. I'm probably going to have to lay it down, slice it open, and then I'll show you as I unpack it. Well, I finally got it cut open, and look at it, I'm starting to open the flaps. I'm probably going to have to set this on the floor and just lift everything out one at a time because this box is so huge. It takes up my full table. All right, that's not too bad. I've got it kind of propped up here on my work table. So we'll get this packing out so you can see what it is. See if you can guess what house might have tempted me. You know, I've got a lot of houses at this point. And so I don't know if it makes you curious about what tempted me. Well, this is because this is a nice house. It's kind of an unusual house. It's one I've wanted a long time. It is one, there's an awning. It is one, I already have one like it, or very similar. So let's take a look at the quality of this one. Online, it looked to me like it needed a little bit of work. There's one of those old metal teacups. I used to have similar. It's got a monkey on it. It's really cute. Love it. I wonder if that's Marx. DIHQ, I think it says. Cool. Love it. That might have been like a bonus. I don't even know if I knew that was going to be in there. Okay, I got it propped up again. There's the chimney. Yay. I can tell you it needs clean. Looks like it might have been in a smoking home at one point, but I think it'll clean up nice. Here's a couple of those kind of rare cornices. That'll give it away to a lot of you people about what house this is, right? I think only one house came with that. It's the Marxa mansion with the Florida room, and it was in pretty good shape. I'm going to show you a few things that were surprising. First of all, it came with 2 chimneys. I don't know why. They don't quite match, but almost. This one doesn't have gray around the top. So I looked at the roof to see, does the roof have a spot for 2 chimneys? And it does not. It's got the gables on the front, but it's only got slots over here for 1 chimney on this side. Right here, it's got the slots. But this other side does not have slots. So for some reason it came with a bonus chimney. Some little house somewhere is missing its chimney. Well, you know, I'll probably clean it up and make it available for sale to somebody that wants it. It's missing the cupola here. I know I can get reproductions for that, but I think that's what's supposed to go there. No room for a chimney on that. Nope, I don't think that will fit on there. Nope. So, but otherwise it's pretty complete and very minor damage. I'm just going to show you a few things. This, I'm not sure if it'll clean up. There's a little fading on this piece, but it's in good shape. A little bit of dirt or something here going on, maybe rust. I think that'll either clean up or get touched up pretty easy. This floor, this is the top story floor, and it's wavy. It's going to have to get straightened out. And it's got a little bit of rust, especially there in the nursery. There's a little rust and a little paint gone. Otherwise, it's in good shape. Like I said, it's wavy, it's bent, but you know me, I can straighten that out. I absolutely will. I'm really, really pleased with this house and the condition it's in. And then here's the bottom floor. Again, the colors are pretty bright. Just a little bit of corrosion, maybe a little bit of touch up and clean up and touch up on that. Otherwise, it's in really, really nice shape, and I just love it. Now, this is I currently have 4 Marxa mansions. 2 are Marxa houses without a Florida room, and I've got 1 with a Florida room. This is my second one with a Florida room. And if you know me, I can't keep duplicates because I'm running out of room. So one of my Marxa mansions with a Florida room will probably be available for sale. Probably the other one, which is in better condition than this one. This one's going to need some cleanup and a little bit of touch up, but the other one is pretty well ready to go. Now this one has got the brown exterior, and the other one that I have available, I think it's got the nice bright red exterior. It's in really good shape. So keep your eyes open for that. And thanks so much for joining me in my birthday celebration. And to see the fun things I got for myself, I couldn't resist. You guys take care. Remember, you have a friend here in Iowa, and you've got a lot of friends in our Dollhouse group, so I hope you'll join us. And I hope you'll subscribe to my channel. Let YouTube know we have an interest in this hobby. A lot of us are of a little bit of an older generation. That doesn't mean that we don't have a lot of interests and fun things that we enjoy. So show YouTube that by subscribing to my channel. Thanks so much. You guys have a good day.